So, how are you today? Hoping everybody's doing well. This is what I ended with last week. If you looked at what I had before, you'll see that I had finished some things up and I've just darkened in. So, the darkened in is just Crayola markers. I used some washi tapes from stuff I had. Again, that was from paper vellum that I had. And on this one, I'm going to use those Crayolas. Just some Elmer's. I think that's just the blue one. This one actually might be the violet. I think I'm using violet. I just write with one of the jelly roll pens. Looking like. I do have these in here. Was something for my notes. And I think, oh, and I want to do my date up there. But I do like them, so I'm just going to put that there. I'm going to do what I did with over here. So I've got them all put away, but the container is this one, so it's $14.99 and you get 50 pieces. 6 are foiled, 5 yards, 44 non-foiled, 5 yards. For one. They were beautiful. I will show you. So, oh, sorry about that. So the ones that I got were this here, and then these 4 word ones here. So. When I finished up for this week, I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And those of you who have liked and subscribed, I appreciate that. This is a bullet journal that I bought. And I started working on a September art journal. I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what I'm doing. I'm trying to kind of do two things. I want to do a gratitude and what gratitude looks like, and some doodles on this page, and then each day I will do some sort of a journal. And I've done these headings for those first days of September. Again, I want to thank you for watching. If there's something you'd like to see, if there's something you'd like to know about me, please post a question, like and subscribe, share with friends, anyone you think that would enjoy this kind of journaling. All right. Have a great rest of your week and a great weekend coming up. Thank you.